To be, or not to be? That's a question many of us are familiar with and can recognize right away as one of Shakespeare's many classic lines. But this beyond talented writer, poet, and playwright provided plenty of other quotable gems. After all, he wasn't called the Bard of Avon for nothing. From Romeo and Juliet to King Lear to Macbeth to all of his stunning sonnets and other works, William Shakespeare's top spot in the literary world has been solidified for centuries. So, whether you're interested in funny Shakespeare quotes, classic lines about life, or Shakespeare love quotes, we've got the all-time best William Shakespeare quotes for you. Hell is empty and all the devils are here. Expectation is the root of all heartache. Death is a fearful thing. But oh, how bitter a thing it is to look into happiness through another man's eyes. Everyone ought to bear patiently the results of his own conduct. As he was valiant, I honor him. But as he was ambitious, I slew him. Cowards die many times before their deaths, the valiant never taste of death but once. But men are men, the best sometimes forget. As flies to wanton boys, are we to the gods, they kill us for their sport. Brevity is the soul of wit. Better 3 hours too soon than a minute too late. An overflow of good converts to bad. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. Fishes live in the sea, as men do a land, the great ones eat up the little ones. A fool thinks himself to be wise, but a wise man knows himself to be a fool. Give every man thy ear, but few thy voice. Ambition should be made of sterner stuff. Be not afraid of greatness, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. God has given you one face, and you make yourself another. How far that little candle throws its beams. So shines a good deed in a naughty world. Many a good hanging prevents a bad marriage. My crown is called content, a crown that seldom kings enjoy. I see that the fashion wears out more apparel than the man. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. I say there is no darkness but ignorance. Maids want nothing but husbands, and when they have them, they want everything. I am not bound to please thee with my answer. Mind your speech a little lest you should mar your fortunes. It is a wise father that knows his own child. In a false quarrel there is no true valor. How well he's read, to reason against reading. In time we hate that which we often fear. If to do were as easy as to know what were good to do, chapels had been churches, and poor men's cottage princes' palaces. I wasted time, and now doth time waste me. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny but in ourselves. How sharper than a serpent's tooth it is to have a thankless child. Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none. I will praise any man that will praise me. Suit the action to the word to the action. The empty vessel makes the loudest sound. Speak low, if you speak love. The devil can cite scripture for his purpose. There is nothing either good or bad but thinking makes it so. The course of true love never did run smooth. The golden age is before us, not behind us. Poor and content is rich, and rich enough. They do not love that do not show their love. What's done can't be undone. Sweet are the uses of adversity which, like the toad, ugly and venomous, wears yet a precious jewel in his head. Such as we are made of, such we be. We know what we are, but know not what we may be. This above all, to thine own self be true. Suspicion always haunts the guilty mind. No legacy is so rich as honesty. To do a great right, do a little wrong. Words without thoughts never to heaven go. When we are born, we cry that we are come to this great stage of fools. With mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come. When sorrows come, they come not single spies, but in battalions. What's in a name? That which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet. Wisely and slow, they stumble that run fast. When a father gives to his son, both laugh. When a son gives to his father, both cry. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.